Hello there. Are you looking to blur the background in your Chatrandom videos? Look no further. Here is a simple step-by-step tutorial for achieving this effect. First, search for the AI Webcam Effects extension and add it to your Chrome or Chromium-based browser. Once you have downloaded and installed the extension, navigate to Chatrandom and start chatting with video. As soon as your chat is ready, open the AI Webcam Effects settings and turn on the extension. To blur the background, select the None option for the background and turn on the Blur feature. If you're using the extension for the first time, select the Quality profile to ensure that the extension detects you on video much better. Now, you can enjoy a blurred background in your video. Moreover, with the AI Webcam Effects extension, you can enhance your video with many different backgrounds and beautify yourself. That's it for our simple tutorial. We hope this guide helps you. Enjoy using the AI Webcam Effects extension.